Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Seah Kalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée, Sivilai. Number 9. Deha. Devran, a mathematical prodigy, has made a groundbreaking discovery in his doctoral thesis. He plans to go to US with his childhood love Asme after getting a university scholarship. However, the only person Devran wants to impress with this success is his father Iskandar, who abandoned his family years ago. While protecting his family from Iskandar, Devran struggles to stop his younger brother Boran from getting involved with their father, who already has plans for Boran. Devran's plans have to change after Boran enters Iskandar's world. Number 8. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Leila swears revenge on the women who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Leila returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Leila's childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. Number 7. Bir Geze Masali. Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Khurshid Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Jan Fiza, the daughter of Khurshid, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Khurshid, waiting for him to slip up. Mahi realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Khurshid's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected twists. Number 6. Uzak Sheher. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return, and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is not indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. Confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region, Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 5. Sahib Sizzler. A story of 6 siblings Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a skeletal life in the forest, raising 6 children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he fires and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 4. Shakir Pasha Ailesi. The series is based on the true story of Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal, only to give rise to some of 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired Ottoman commander and history writer living on Bucada when his eldest son Javad returned from Oxford with an Italian wife. They all lived together in the family villa, where the Bohemian Javad was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of Jivad's wife and lifestyle. But Jivad's wife became infatuated with the older man and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. In the decades to follow, Jiva Shakir became the fisherman of Halikarnassus, one of Turkey's most beloved writers. Meanwhile, his glamorous sisters developed into thoroughly modern women and fixtures of Istanbul's art scene. Number 3. Jan Borju. The series follows Mehmet, a successful lawyer, as he strives to reconnect with his estranged daughter Dua following the death of his mother. Along the way, long buried secrets come to light, threatening to upend their lives. The delicate balance of the family is shattered when Jalal's hidden affair surfaces, creating turmoil. Meanwhile, his wife Handan, unaware of the unraveling around her, fights to keep the family together against all odds. Number 2. Kral Kai Se. The series follows Kenan Baran, a successful businessman, in a troubled marriage with his wife Handan. His affairs force her to confront her self-worth, while Kenan's life is turned upside down by Fadi, a young woman from a poor background. Their relationship leads to a downfall that changes everything, exploring the power struggle between control and freedom. Number 1. Piazza. Piazza will focus on love, betrayal, and power struggles in the world of media, magazines, and TV series. Munawar, as burdened as the wedding dress she is set to wear, surrenders her fate to a stranger in a desperate attempt to save her family. Her journey, which begins in a small coastal town, soon carries the dark secrets of the past and the ruthless reckonings of the future into the dazzling world of Istanbul. In this world, Turkey's biggest star, Kenan Akin, takes center stage not just on the glimmering screens but also in his own solitude and the addictions he cannot escape. Yet, neither the bright lights nor the hidden truths can conceal the manipulative force behind him. His mother, Kariman Akin, though the pen of Ahsan Chivik, the search for truth in this story uncovers a new secret with every line, and at the heart of these secrets stands Shafiq Arzan, a lonely man caught between atoning for the past and committing the sins of the present. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.